Hello, this is Piotr from Tapflo. Today I'm having a jar of tomato paste with me. You might ask yourself why? Well, this paste is commonly used in the food and beverage production, but it is not so easy to pump it because it is very thick. Watch this movie and learn how to transfer tomato paste easy way. Tomato paste is typically stored in 200-liter drums, and there are 4 drums stored on a pallet. Removing the paste from the drum manually, it's a struggle. It's very time-consuming, and there's a lot of product waste with that. If you're processing multiple drums with tomato paste every day, think about installing a drum unloading system like our HVS Quattro. Every time I discuss this application with our customers, we talk about 3 main topics. How quick can it work? Is there any leftover? And could that be done automatically? This system works with 4 drums placed on a pallet. It unloads a full drum in about 2 minutes. There's an inflated seal that works in the drum, so the leftover volume is up to 1% of the full drum. It's fully automatic. You don't need to spend too much time standing next to the drum. The heart of the process is our hygienic T425 pump. It comes with a simple but robust construction, easy to maintain and easy to clean. This one can handle almost every liquid. It can be very viscous product, or it can be liquid containing solids. Every single part used in this pump is traceable, which is important from your safety point of view. Simple but well thought through Scandinavian design. If you look for a pump or system that is created for the food sector, go to tapflo.com and let us know about it.